Hello guys, it's me Airnos12, and tonight, this is what we're gonna do. Yeah, I know it's late night, but as you can see here, I have some armors here. Also, I found these hypersuits, right? Made by Nitronius Fusion Roblox, something like that. I forgot his username, like the whole thing. But shout out to him for actually making these hypersuits. Because if it wasn't for these hypersuits, then I wouldn't be able to put them in my game. But in the case you would have something like this, I would suggest you watch this tutorial. So, let me show you what the logistics of each thing is. So, as you see right here, right? The ones that I'm going to highlight in yellow do not, let me erase that. But let me give you a quick synopsis. The ones that I will highlight in yellow have flight or jetpacks on them where you can fly. All of these, 1, 2, 3, those three. Now another thing I noticed is let me get another color, is that we have this one. The one that I highlighted in blue, Hypersuit 1, is the only one that does not, and I mean does not, have some sort of helmet of any kind. It is solely, and I mean solely, a mesh based item. Now let me highlight the other ones. Now the ones that cannot fly but get new features but are quite different is this Hypersuit 2, Hypersuit 3. Now we know the logistics of each thing. And also, here's another thing I have to note. This right here, the Jedi, this is a special one that I will show you also how to make work. This one highlighted in light yellow is very special. You know why? Never has there ever been a hat as armor before. But if I show you, hold on, let me close out these tools. If I show you, this is the defense shoulders thing, right? That's a hat. There'll also be an accessory for it too if you're an R15 model, which will come out soon. Hopefully that will. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is to make an upgrades panel. This is what I'm going to show you today. Let's go to here. That's the armors frame. Now let me show you the upgrades frame. In fact, no need to make a second frame. There's another way we can do this. Sorry guys, it's just a little bit of lag. There's another way you can do this. Duplicate this and call this upgrades. Right? And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to the local, that's the manager. Not very good of a manager, is it? Yeah, dumb idea for a frame thing. But anyways, let me get to the point. So, what we're supposed to do is we're supposed to create an upgrades frame. So, if we click this, right? Well, first, let me get some upgrades in there. For Hypersuit 6, which is going to be the highest armor that you can get, highest suit of armor, or the most technologically advanced / strongest suit of armor that you will get. in my game, we're going to make the script disabled. In fact, I got an idea. I'm going to show you what I would do in my data manager, which is basically what I created in order to make this work. Now this script is disabled. So I am also going to load up another data store. So p data equals that, armor data equals this, game get service. Now you want to create a separate one for armor upgrades because it's a lot of data, something that the first data store cannot hold too much of. Service get data store. Also, sometime this week I will be doing a live stream of this actually working. Yeah, it's going to be a development live stream. I'll show you the latest developments on this new system. So I have armor data here. So what this does is that it allows you to be able to work with, now let me show you what I mean by this. Save scores is like this. So then data manager dot not p data, all this crap, armor data. Let's set async. Well, actually, let's not worry about that yet. First thing I'm going to worry about is creating the armor attributes. So what I would do is I would do local. In fact, let me not do this in between the starter thing. So I'm going to do it like right there. Well, not even there either. It has to be in a very special place. This is better. This marks the transition from this to this. So it gives it an extension, basically. And local armor upgrades equals instance dot new colon folder player armor upgrades dot name equals armor upgrades. And the next thing I'm going to do is this. So I'm going to set this to true for now. Local upgrade hyper S1. Well, actually, there is no upgrade for hyper S1. Maybe speed. Actually, hyper SVI. And it would be flight. Equals instance.new full value. Now I will be taking a break, possibly showing you some cool things that I've done or may do, so stay tuned. It is going to be a long process, so yeah. Armor upgrades. And then you would do this upgrade hypersv flight.name equals just this. And what this does, it allows you to upgrade your thing to be flyable, or it can fly. So that I would do .value equals true for now, make it true. Okay. Now I'm going to be taking a break. Hey guys, I am back again, and this time, look what we've got. So we've got this. Um, it's unlocked armor 7, I believe. But then you have the upgrades. You have armor upgrades, hyper SVI flight. This. Now let me show you what I'm going to do with that. So for the upgrades, right? In fact, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to create a module script. And this, my friends, is a very, very special module script. Now remember, this is part 1 of the upgrades tutorial, so be advised. Okay. We are creating a upgrade system for the armor, especially armor that has multiple features such as flying, jetpack, trails, hyperdrives, you name it. So now we'll go to this, right? I'll call this local upgrades. Now this is a component you can add or behavior. Call it a data box. Yeah, a data box is basically a module script you can use in my RPG Studio plugin, which I will show you. In fact, there could be actual videos, or it could be even a live stream. Actually, I want to save a live stream for something that's worth more than an hour, such as my newest Let's Plays, and things that are really good.
You need to go to bed.
Sorry, sorry guys, my mom. I'm doing this late night, and I've got yeah. Sorry about that. Yeah, it happens. You guys don't have to worry about her. She's fine. What the heck is? Ugh. And there are a lot of bugs in here, but it doesn't matter. It's fine. I mean, we're just working on stuff, getting things done. But let me get started on what we have to do. So, upgrades, return upgrades equals this. Now, when you do the upgrades, right, you have to put in, this is a very, very special module script. Okay, this thing right here contains all of the upgrade names. You're going to need that. So number 1 is, yep, this is for HyperSuit VI. Okay, so this is the only one we actually have to deal with. Now, I'm going to show you how to make the basic component of that. In the fly script, right? Now if you press the spacebar twice, so let me find out what the spacebar, workspace. Now hold on. That's the key which you use to fly. So I wonder if I could actually do that. I'm going to show you guys what I've done so far in terms of this. This is a 2-part tutorial. It may even grow bigger depending on what it is. I'm going to also be doing the saber animations tutorial and sounds tutorial probably on either tomorrow when I come back or Friday, because I know Thursday is supposed to be very stormy in this region where I live. Yep, there was a recent one earlier that prevented me from getting this to you earlier. So now, yeah, actually I changed the level to 80 so that I can be able to test out the armor. And when you get the armor, in fact, let me see what's going on. Oh, right. I forgot. I totally forgot. I will be back, guys. I just need to make sure that I get something fixed. Okay, guys, I'm back, and I've fixed what was the problem. Remember, when you make the armor, make sure you include the parts that are really important in terms of, you know, the armor's statistics, such as the level, level required, which is level, defense, and an HP boost, as well as the armor class, because this is a different one. Now, right here, you see this right? This is Jedi. Unlock Jedi is not a valid member of model. Let me fix that. I'll be back. I seem to fix it now. Yep, there we go. Now, yeah. Let me come back. Okay, guys. Let me just restart the game. Okay, good. We restarted it. Now I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by this. Oh, I almost forgot. Yeah, let me come back. Okay, guys, I am back, and I think I fixed it. Oh, yeah, I did. Now watch what happens when he is equipped with the armor. Oh, wait, I forgot. Oh. Now, I'm back. Let me just refresh it so you guys can see it. So watch what happens when the armor I choose selected. When this happens, see how it transforms? It's transforming, and there you go. It basically made a part in this game, or in this kind of system, armor system, where you can literally move about. See how he's moving, right? Is he gonna come back down? Nope. He's in the air. Just watch as this guy goes. Now, watch when he tries to go up in here. Will he find the place? Who knows? Who knows where he'll go? He could fly like this. And let me see if we can go a little further. Yep, he can. And he does. So now, we know that he's right there, and he's in a dark place. He looks a little creepy. It's the Malevolence, by the way. I remember actually seeing this from the Clone Wars. Clone Wars, believe it or not, was a really good show. If you guys want, I can also host some, tell you about Star Wars. Got him. Oh, wow. I got sucked up by the black hole. Sorry about that. Now watch when I try to equip Hypersuit 5. Same thing, but it's a little different. This one is a little bit downgraded from the others. Doesn't have the HUD like the other one does. Look at that sonic boom. Isn't that amazing? Now watch. Let me show you one feature before I actually go to a blocks break. What if I did 500? Sorry about that, guys. that wasn't clear enough, so I'm going to show you again. Oh wait. Yeah, let me take it up a notch. Hyperdrive. It works perfectly too. Anyways, guys, I am going to be going to a blocks break in about 15 seconds. Okay, blocks break. Alright, we're in the blocks break. Now, look at this. Oh, they even have pool toys, which is amazing. And in this blocks break, we're going to be doing two things at once. When we get to the 5-minute mark, that's when we'll be doing the next thing. Red, green, blend. Red, green, blend. Isn't that amazing? And this graduate knows all about it. A little bit. I found a whole bunch of glossy coal around here. I want to survive.
I love you. I need a hug. I love you.
What the heck is that on my computer or is that oh! This is how summer camp is. I remember my days in summer camp. If you don't remember summer camp, then I do. And I can tell you, summer camp was fun. Back in 10th grade. That's when I was learning to swim and I kept swimming and I kept doing it. Oh wow, the sweeper like they have a wipeout. That's the weirdest thing. The show Wipeout. I don't think it's still on anymore. This is a Wipeout. Okay, this is the last one, guys, and after that I'm Ah! Sorry, guys. I know it happened. I almost got it, but I failed. What? Really? Okay, that's it. Okay, guys. Here we go. Wow, someone actually named themselves the breathing trash can. Something like that in Spanish. I know basura means trash can in Spanish. Been there before in terms of that. Anyways, I'm going to do the second half of the box break. Now, watch what I would do. I'm going to go to options, load. Yep. Is this it? Oh yeah, this is Tatooine. Now look at this. Tatooine is a place where you can get a whole bunch of items, right? I was thinking about making a store like this, you know, but it's headquartered in Tatooine. Could be very useful on any planet you would want to go to. Like there could be a Tatooine store that's high as 3 stories or so. Who knows? Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to I should buy some more some more cash using some Robux. I don't know, should I? Nah, screw it. I'm gonna do this. I am not gonna order soda. I can order candy though. Supply, manage. Stock up in that much candy. Watch how much in stock it'll be. People are already buying now. This is what I want it to be like when people play my game in Tatooine. They'll be able to get all the stuff that they need to get, whether it be potions, anything. Even if they're going on a hunt for Grievous on the Malevolence, they still will be able to do this, because there'll be 2 locations. One in Blue O'Lear, the place in which you see that has a medieval map that's going to be changed. And a whole darn lot. Now watch what happens when they buy it. And here's the strategy that I can give you guys, a tip. One thing you should never do when you're doing this is don't get any, don't get any employees yet until you get enough money. So, yeah. Now watch this. So, if we look here, wow, it's empty. I'm gonna probably resupply it a little bit. See how they're buying it? I got 200 of those and it works. So, and this is my little store, guys. So, I will be ending this right after the people actually get their money's worth in terms of, you know, their little stuff. I mean, that's what Tatooine is all about. It's supposed to be a place where you can get what you need. Right now, we're working on that. Trying to see if I can get a manager, but I'll have to wait until I have enough cash, right? Tycoon cash to do that. Sorry, guys. Forgot to tell you, this is two parts now in terms of this. Now, oh shoot. Okay. What was that? I'll figure it out. Okay, guys, I think I am ready to show you now what I have done. So, click equip. Oh boy. Oh, there it is. The hypersuit. Wait for it to equip. I will be adding a defense thing in there. So let's see. What do the properties say? The properties say armor upgrades. That this is true. Okay, great. Now, here's what I'm going to discuss. So, what we need to do is from here, let me get out this. Let's just say this is you. And let's just say you upgrade to this cool armor. Right? Like that. With this. Which is a jetpack on it. You want to make sure that when you have this jetpack, right, that this can happen. In order to do that, however, let me show you what it would have to do. Hold on, guys. I'm trying to get there. Right here, space. This is space. Space key. Now, if you want to know what the space key, what I mean by space key, this right here is what you need in order to be able to work with the. It's hard to explain, but I'll tell you. So the space key is like this. This is space. Now, if you descend timer as tick, you know, you want to go up and fly, then you're good. Now, we only want this to be true and be able to be used if we can fly. So it would be like if game.players local player dot armor upgrades dot, and in fact, let's make sure that this is the right script because we have to very carefully do this. Apparently not. This is not Hyper Suit 6. I think that was Hyper Suit 5 or 4. Upgrades that. And in fact, let's get it from the data manager. Upgrade Hypersuit 6 flight. That value equals true. Then actually make it false because you want to check if it's false. And script.disabled equals true. So what does this mean? Well, this means if you didn't upgrade your Hypersuit 6 armor suit to have a working functional jetpack, you're just not going to have the script enabled. It's going to be turned off completely. So let's test that out. Okay, I'm going to open up this. Okay, it looks like it's doing the blockage and all that crap. Now watch what happens. For some reason, I'm still able to do it. Yeah. In fact, let me make sure that, yeah, I think I know what I'm doing now. I almost forgot to tell you guys that we will not be needing this. Actually, we will be needing this, but this is what we do with the armor module. Watch this. So I'm doing that and game.players get player from character, and then you would do that equals true, then, and you would do just that. Now, we'll be testing this on other armor as well as we go throughout the tutorial. I'll be showing you what to do with the others. So, let me get started on showing you what this thing can do. Oh, wait. Forgot an end. Yeah, I forgot an end. And try it again. There it goes. It's morphing into the character. You can still move, but I forgot to add in. Did I forget to add in something? We'll go into a blocks break in a moment. I don't know why it did that, but should be false. In fact, we won't even need to go into that blocks break. I'll just end it on the other video. Okay, wait for it to load. See how it does it? It just jumps. Now watch what happens next. What this should have done is it should have enabled it, but that's okay, guys. It shows that it's working. See, you can't upgrade the jetpack until you've turned it on. So yeah, in fact, that could actually be a good idea. It would be on upgraded. You should make, in fact, next tutorial I will show you how to make an on upgraded callback that is called once the armor has been fully upgraded in the manager. Anyways, guys, you can like this video, comment, or even subscribe to my channel if you want to see more RPG stuff. This has been Arrow12, and cheers.